Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, this is Parsival, and we are bringing to you the Forex picks of the Forex, the stocks, and the futures Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week. And starting off, we have the Kiwi dollar, all right, from August 29th to September the 28th, and it has an 88% win, as you can see, over the years. For the last 8 years. So 8 years, and only 1 year was actually bad in this market cycle, right? But the others were basically positive. We've got a bearish Walt Disney Company, all right, 7 years with an 85.71%, with a probability of high for this to be bearish in August, probably August going into September. Yep, in August going into September. September can usually be very bearish months. All right, and as you can see, all these months are actually good. And then the Swiss franc. So this is a futures, right? And as you can see, there's an 86% win rate. All right, with a medium probability, 7 years. Once again, only 1 year that was actually bad. All right. So let's go to the charts. Find it on the charts and see what we can see. Okay, starting out with the Kiwi. And let's open that all the way up. Okay, we are in a downtrend, so this is looking very good. If I see this actually enter into if I get a lower close candle on over here, but anytime before this market cycle, actually, I'll basically take it, and I'll try to write it down to probably this point here at 0.6206, or down to here at 0.661, pretty much 61. Okay, that's the Kiwi. Disney. Alright, Disney is bearish, but look what happened. What happened was they had some good earnings, right? Came in very nicely. It basically gapped up, and now it's coming back down. Now you've got this inside bar that is basically kind of going to tell where if it breaks out up or if it breaks out down. It has been in a downtrend since, let's see, pretty much, let's just say the beginning of the year, November, December of last year. So I would be looking for this to basically continue to fall. So, and then especially going from August into September, right? August into September. So looking for that to go down. And the last one is the Swissy, which I have to go and find that one. And that one is what is it? Bearish. Oh, okay. For some reason, I'm not finding it here. What happened to it? Oh, okay. There it is. And that is not even on there. What happened? Okay, I didn't mark it off. Okay, so let's mark it off now. I believe that I did, but I did not. Okay, so from August 29th to October the 3rd. So from August 29th there to October the 3rd, which is, wow, that's a long distance there. And that is supposed to be bearish. So I got that in right. Okay. All right. So what you see here is it's already in a pretty much of a downtrend, right? I would call this just a retracement. It's still below the 200, so you can basically see that very possibly some weeks before it actually enters into the cycle, it could start to fall. Okay, this is, and I don't see it on both indicators, but I would be looking for divergences. On the stochastic, you can see some definite divergence. This going up to here, this going down to here. So we'll see how that actually finishes out if we get a crossover there. So with that, let's go into the review. And this week was not a good week for me. Right, I was up to 142,000. Now I'm down to 136, and we got some losing trades on. And I will show you which trades that we actually lost on. We lost on 2 trades: the Aussie dollar, pretty much the Aussie, and the Aussie CAD. Okay. Now some of these trades are actually not trades that I was trading a bit outside of the market trend. So I guess if you wanted the truest form of a testing of the market cycles, it is a little bit screwed up a little bit, but we are still staying on track with what we're doing here. All right. So I'm keeping this pretty nicely short. Okay. Like I said, I'm at 136. We're going to see if we can pump this all the way up, back up to where it was at 142. And with that, knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. The closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. And this is Parsival from ForexMilitia, signing out.